Hello, testing. Trade recap. First time back in a little, well, 4 week, oh my God, 4 day weekend we just had. Took this little position, had a couple partials here, then trailed stops. So technically I took two partials and then it came up and took me out at my second area of partials where I was trailing my stop to. Let's show ya what it's about. Fam, alam, in it. Okay, upon market open, we had an hourly gap above, which we had respected pre-market, but as soon as market open, we got a big manipulation topside to tap equilibrium of said gap. Also to diverge topside. Where is it? To diverge topside with the candle that had already taken. The divergence doesn't mean that much. It's just the opening manipulation. It happens. We then had, what do we have? Sorry, fuck me. We had London lows down here, which were created just before market open. We had these lows here, which were stacked up with London lows. As you can see, the two black lines, which makes it even better. And then these big lows down here. And as you can see, it ran to those lows. I would have loved to have taken it. And it nearly was so good for those lows. It was nearly so good. But this manipulation didn't happen for any reason. Anyways, let's keep going. So we tap that, we have the initial manipulation topside, then we create opening range low, and then we have London low stacked up below. So I was kind of bearish, bit of manipulation, bit of higgledy-piggledy. We create opening range low, which is ORL here. And then price comes, does some little bullshit at the top again. It comes and taps opening range low. Where is it? No, that wasn't even it. It was this little bit of liquidity. At this little point as well here is when I went like break even. See, there's no reason for this manipulation. Anyways, so at this point I was break even and this was opening range low for ES. ES was just dumping through. Normally you don't want to get in a position as it's fucking tapping a piece of liquidity, a DOL, a draw on liquidity. But ES was already bumming through it. We were looking good. We had good PA. So this is the initial manipulation, blah, 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 blah. 30-second gap right here. Respect, I get in, boom. Stops just above this candle. I have him. Did I have him there or did I have him here? I think I had him here. I really want to be sure. Yeah, I had him here. And then I scaled them down to here. No, I had him here, and then when this happened and we came break even, I scaled it down to here. Then when we hit this point here, I scaled it to break even. Then as we created this 30-second here and tapped it here and was bearish, I moved it down again above here. Then when we re-tapped it and went bearish, I moved it above here. So that's why I'm saying I took like two sets of partials. Set here and then the rest of the position here. Yeah, and then it just fucking manipulated without hitting shit. Didn't hit on ES, which is why we trail, I guess. Well, not really, because it would have ran to full DB, but shit happens. There's not really any gaps. There's a 3-minute, but like, it's just a retracement. It was just to get people like me out. But this is why you manage the risk. Yeah, good trade. Secured, what was it, 258 on the day or some shit? Why does it say it was negative? Hello? What? Long? I was short. I'm not sure what that's about. Buys? Hello? 7th of the 4th. That was a long time ago. 25th of the 3rd. Fourth of the 7th. Here it is. Why is it geeking? The fuck? Why is it ordered so weirdly? Can I do... Anyways, that's that.